The Army National Guard Warrior Training Battalion trains critical soldier skills and increases readiness, and it's where, as a Guard soldier, you can get the additional training that will make you stand out. The specialized schools it conducts go far beyond what you learn in basic combat training. You have the chance to become a force multiplier for your home unit by completing Pathfinder, Air Assault, Master Fitness Trainer, or any of the other schools provided. Completing one or more of these courses will equip you with skills that can help you advance in both your Army National Guard and civilian careers.
A lot of these schools will teach you leadership capabilities, the toughness, and the tactics and techniques that you need.
It's an amazing opportunity. I would recommend it to anyone to come to any of these courses.
You can explore more information about the Army National Guard Warrior Training Battalion online and on Facebook or Instagram.